This full brick ranch home features 2 living areas, an open kitchen, a large laundry room/pantry area with stairs to a huge unfished basement, 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an additional flex room. A brand new wall oven is being installed, and the back enclosed porch with a storage room make for great indoor and outdoor space, perfect for entertaining and relaxing. This property boasts an in-ground pool with a slide and diving board, a hot tub, and a large metal building that could be the perfect workshop/hobby shop. Come on home to this great place. For more information on this home, please call Naomi Race with the Naomi Race Group, Realty 1 Group, select 704-774-9710, www.smilesandkeys.com.